Hi guys, today I am not present here because he is too busy to see a cartoon. And what we see here I found a different type of gifts from our school. This is what? This is kidzee fun and learn nursery class which we unboxing today. We unboxed this and what we found? We get a different things which is round in shape. And this is fish. What if in this diagram we see a cat, we see a apple, we see a fish, we see a dog hat, which is too useful for Arab. And this is a key for reading. And this is a cat. This is a what? This is a igloo. And what it is? This is a shape of mood, which when someone fighting, then how they show fighting with someone. Wow. What is this? This is hiding from a spider. Broken toy. Wow. And what is this? This is a different post office, supermarket, school, hospital. Which place, which around us. This show diagram. Where is park, fire station, which is useful for us. And what is this? This is your helmet and shorts, uniform. This is a shape from for dress. This is too useful for Arab, which help Arab to her study. And what is it? This is a difference of a diagram, which Arab color it. This is a fish, which Arab color blue color. And what is this here, guys? This is animals diagram in different shape of different kinds of animals: horse, sheep, goat, hen, cow. And what is this? Arab color it. Someone which we see or someone we can't see. Like this. What is this? Arab color it. Some, oh, I think it is tortoise, which are of color in black. And what is this? This is a dolphin, which are of color pink. And I have also get a different kinds of colors in this box. See, which is too good. These all are so helpful for Arab for study. And where is Arab? Where is Arab, baby? This is a kidzee gift. This is a kidzee gift. And what is this? This is a imagine new age learning, color scan and play, which you see in this box. Arab get from school. Arab feels surprised and Arab feels too happy when he get this gift. And where is Arab? Arab is too busy to see a cartoon today. So Arab can't make a video today. Only say, Mama, you make a video. I see a cartoon. Arab baby. Hello. Hello. Today is Sunday, so Arab feel Arab enjoy a Sunday. So this is okay. This is helpful for every baby. Age 3 years old baby. From this diagram, from this they study wild animals name, uniform, which places around us, domestic animals, pet animals. This is very helpful for Arab. And this color is too amazing, which Arab color it, which are used and color it different types of diagram. Someone we see and someone we can't see, like a dolphin, like a fish, And this, what is this? Alright, too small baby and naughty also, but he is too good. Yeah, Bittu. See, Arav. See, Arav. What Arav say? What, Bittu? Okay, say bye bye. Bye bye. Okay, bye bye, guys.